Welcome home to Chippewa Trails Townhomes, the lowest priced new homes in Beaver County, just minutes from I-376. Hi, I'm Neil. Regardless of whether you're looking to stop paying your landlord or if you're just looking for more space for your growing family in Blackhawk schools, Chippewa Trails Townhomes has a brand new floor plan for you. An open floor plan on the main level means that you can help with homework while cooking dinner. Brand new appliances, including the washer and dryer on the second floor, and all your kitchen appliances are installed and ready to go the day you move in. 3 bedrooms upstairs means everyone finally has space of their own with room for the family to grow and not worry about moving again. 2 bathrooms will make getting ready for work in the morning much more enjoyable and no lines for showers at night. Your attached 1-car garage means no more parking outside and dealing with the Pittsburgh weather. Plus, at Chippewa Trails, yard work will be taken care of for you, giving you more time to do the things you love most. The community will also have sidewalks for evening walks in a serene setting, perfect to escape the summer sun or to meet up with your friends. Your favorite shopping and dining destinations are a short 5-minute drive away. Giant Eagle, Aldi, Walmart, Home Depot, Eaton Park, Walgreens, Sal's Restaurant, all banks and fast foods are a short distance away. In addition, Fox Run Golf Course is only 5 miles away, so you can hit the links in no time. If you're a frequent traveler, the Pittsburgh Airport is just 25 minutes away, and your commute just got easier with I-376, Route 51, and Route 18 just minutes from your door. Chippewa Trails is the opportunity you've been waiting for in the location you want to be in. Schedule your visit today. We just might have exactly what you're looking for.